Kanban is a lean method based on a highly visualized pull-based workflow that manages and improves work across human systems by balancing demands with available capacity and by improving the handling of system-level bottlenecks. Kanban is a set of principles, practices, and regular activities aimed at developing and managing a predictable, rhythmic, and constant flow of work. When applied properly, it can significantly accelerate the development of high-quality products and services. The pull-based triggering mechanism allows customers to pull work through the value stream. Pull-based working also has the advantage that work is not pushed onto people, burdening them unnecessarily and unproductively. This is particularly valuable in lean teams where overburden is a form of waste. The main practices of Kanban are visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and managing flow. We can also add to that list making process policies explicit, implementing feedback loops, improving collaboration, and lastly, evolving experimentally. This figure shows the contribution of Kanban to the service value chain.